Kicked off my shoes, dancing in the rain.
Hi, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. As you can probably tell by the title, today we're going thrift shopping. I think I haven't been thrift shopping for over a year now, which is so crazy. But now the thrift shops are open again. So yeah, we're gonna go thrift shopping. But also, this video is sponsored by Galaxy. Galaxy is a very fun new app where you can resell your own clothes. So actually, all of the clothes that I'm gonna be thrifting today are gonna be available on there. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you about that more later. Now let's hit the thrift shop. Alright, before we go, this is the outfit. I'm wearing these very flowy pants. And I'm wearing it with this little colorful top that I actually thrifted and cropped, and yeah, I feel very cute, so let's go. Okay, so I have to apologize in advance because I was trying to film as much as possible, but you know, I live in Czech Republic. We don't speak English here. We speak Czech. So basically when I'm in public and I start speaking English, I literally become a walking attraction that everybody has to look at. So it's very uncomfortable for me to film. So that's why the footage is so short. But whatever. As you can see, I found these two super cool vintage Levi's, but they were too big on me. And it's kind of hard to alter jeans because the material is so thick. So I just left them behind. And yeah, I also looked at some hats. But I didn't really find anything, so yeah. Okay, hi! So I just came back. I got so many amazing things. I can't wait to show you. Before I jump into the haul, I want to talk about Galaxy. Galaxy is a brand new app that allows you to resell your old clothes. It's very similar to Depop and Vinted and all of these platforms, but the thing that makes Galaxy different and more special than those other reselling platforms is that you resell your old clothing by actually a live video, which I think is so amazing because it allows you to tell the story of each item and, you know, tell your buyers or your watchers why you love the item, why you think it's special, and it's just way more personal than just, you know, posting some pictures and listing the price, you know? And actually all of the items that you see here in this haul are gonna be available on Galaxy, so yeah, definitely check it out. And yeah, now finally let's get into the haul. First, I went into a thrift store that is like a kilo shop, which means that the price of the item relies on how much the item itself weighs. So yeah, I got this basic light blue shirt from there. I saw so many pictures on Instagram, here they are, of girls wearing these light blue shirts over like shorts and bikini tops, and I think it's just such a great idea. It's like the perfect summer cover-up. So yeah, that's why I got this one. Here's how it looks on me. It's very cool. And I love the color, so yeah. So yeah, that's actually the only item that I got from there. And then I went to a thrift store where I actually had to stand in line for like 20 minutes because they were having like a huge sale. Like each item in that store cost only $2, which is so good. So yeah, I didn't even mind that I had to stand in line for 20 minutes because it was so worth it. The first thing that I found are these super cool pants. Just look at the pattern. It just reminds me of like pants you would wear to a golf course. I don't know why. I just feel like they are so cool. And yeah, this is how they look on. I had to like alter them a little bit in the waist because nothing ever fits me in the waist. So if you're a size extra small, definitely go check my live stream on Galaxy because everything will be extra small. So yeah. Oh yeah, then I got this. This is so freaking pretty. I got this super cool cardigan. I absolutely love the color of this cardigan. I feel like even if you would just like pair it with a very, very basic outfit, I feel like this would spice it up so much and just make it so much more fun. So yeah, it has this little like button here and then these two flowers embroidered on it, and yeah, I feel like it's so cool. Then I found another pair of pants. I actually found them in the like extra large men's section, and this is definitely not an extra large. Like these almost fit me perfectly. I still need to take them in a little bit more, but they are absolutely perfect. So yeah, and then my favorite item that I got is this. This is not very summery, but whatever. I'm gonna save this for winter or for somebody that would want it on Galaxy because okay, you can't see it. It's this very long light purple coat, and I just love the length of it. It's very oversized. It actually had some shoulder pads, but I just cut them out so that it looks smaller, but yeah, it's still very oversized, but I just love the look of it. Like all of my coats are black or beige, and I feel like this is just a fun statement piece. And also it was just $2, so come on. And then the last thing is this super duper cute polo shirt shirt. It's light purple and it has these little flowers embroidered on it, and I just can't get over how cute this is. If I would keep it for myself, I would probably crop it, but I will just leave it full length for now because, you know, if somebody on Galaxy would want it full length, then they can have it. But if somebody would want it as a crop top, I will crop it for them after. But yeah, I just love how this looks like. But yeah, that is everything that I got. I got 6 items for $14. I think today's trip was very successful. Everything will be available on my Galaxy profile. Here's my username where you can find me. And yeah, this is the date and time of my live stream where I will be selling all of these items. So yeah, if you like any of these items, make sure to tune in. But even if you don't like them, you can tune in as well because I'm getting rid of so many things from my closet. So there's just gonna be so many cute things for sale. So yeah, if you wanna tune in, tune in. Here's the date. Anyways, I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It literally means the world to me. Also, you can go follow me on my Instagram if you have a minute. But yeah, that's everything from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!